Buttons. Who doesn't like a button? World's best accessory. Oh, I saw that look. Understandably, you're jealous of my buttons, but there's no need for that. You too can have such an amazing collection. How, you ask? Well, with an American button machine, of course. Now, I know the prospect of making your own buttons might seem a bit intimidating, but don't be scared of this bad boy. It's actually super easy to use. What was that? You don't believe me? Well, I guess I'll just have to show you. Now let's say you wanted to turn your artwork into a pinback button. All you have to do is import the art you want to use into the button making software. I use Build-A-Button, which is an industry-leading software designed specifically for, you guessed it, making buttons. It's so easy to use that if you can use a word processor, you can definitely design a fantabulous button. Now, once your artwork's in the software, just line it up in the circle, add any text you want to use, and print it out. No specialty paper required. You can make a button out of anything that you can print out on regular printer paper. Once you've got the printout, you can either use a pair of scissors, adjustable circle cutter, dynamo punch, graphic punch, or die cutting press to cut out the image. So many options! You'll then put a front shell sharp side down into the shallow die of the button maker. Then add the graphics you want to use, along with the clear plastic mylar. And then you swivel. And then you pull the handle once and watch everything disappear into the top die. Now, depending on what size button maker you have, you can make up to 20 different kinds of buttons. We're making a pinback. So take the pinback and add it sharp side up into the deeper die of the button maker before swiveling again. And you press it, and look at that! You've got a button. If you're anything like me, once you realize how easy these buttons are to make, you're gonna catch the bug. The button making bug, that is. Before you know it, you're gonna have an American button machine in all of their 14 sizes, from a small 1-inch all the way up to a giant 6-inch, even in different shapes: round, square, rectangle, and oval. You're gonna be making buttons for everything. Pinback buttons for your daughter's soccer team. Buttons. Magnets to argue with the poltergeist who lives in your fridge. Buttons. Keychains for your favorite politician. Buttons. Flashing buttons for your favorite holiday. Buttons. Bottle openers to sell after your country reggae band's done rocking the house. Buttons. Mirrors for your favorite narcissist. Buttons. 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 So yeah, who doesn't like a button?